Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple rim, automobile rim, vehicle rim. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. It's a simple model. I wish it grateful for beginners. So here let's start to make a rim. We are going to make a 15.7-inch rim. Start from front plane, sketch. Select here corner rectangle and start from origin. Draw a rectangle and here side click for construction. Okay, and define it 200 by 200 mm. Okay, this is our base. Now let's start. Draw one more horizontal line. Select here for construction and let's define the gap 32 mm. Okay, so our rim in between, rim design, rim profile. Select exit. Make these two lines parallel. Now let's define 10 mm, 12 mm. Let's make 15 mm. Okay. $55 mm. Let's define this gap 6 mm. Keep 6 mm this gap also. Okay. Make it 20 mm and this length keep 7.9 mm and select this distance. Let's say 12 mm. Okay. Now we will make one more relation, equal. Okay. Now let's start from here. Exit. Now choose here spline and we want to connect these two ends. Exit. Now let's little tilt. Select this horizontal. See here. Now select here offset. Keep 6 mm. Uncheck select this face. And these two faces. Okay. Choose trim. Select trim entity and trim this unnecessary side. Trim. Okay, now let's define. Keep 6 mm by default. $10 mm. This distance also keep 10 mm. And this by default 6 mm. Okay. Now select this gap. 17.67 mm. Okay, now select here fully defined sketch. Select here calculate. Okay, now our geometry is fully defined. So it's time to revolve. Select revolve boss base. Select here this bottom line as a axis. Okay, now see the base is created. Now select this side face, sketch normal. Select circle, first draw a circle and select this circle for construction geometry and define the width, diameter 389 mm. Define the path, choose here center point arc and start to draw one arc, exit. Now select both the end point, make horizontal. Now let's define this. Select both the corner point and then select arc 116 mm. Okay. Select this circle, convert entities. Again select the circle, construction. Now do one thing, just make it reverse. Okay. Now we want to make multiple number of these kinds of pattern. Circular, select the center point and here select these 3 points, these 3 lines, and we want 7 number of patterns. Okay, now see it's created here 7 number of patterns. Again select center line, start from origin and connect these two from here to or cancel it, or select this construction line and uncheck. Now it is full line, but we have to trim. So choose here trim entities, select this between, now only this portion we left. Okay, select fully sketch, calculate. Okay, now it's time to extrude cut. Select extruded cut, select here thin feature, 10 mm reverse direction, keep 4 mm only. You can see here it's going to cut. We select only a thin line 10 mm. Okay, now see we cut some profiles here. Now it's time to make some circular face, so choose front plane, sketch, first draw the center line, select here line and we will select this line up to here and up to here. First define this 7.15 mm and this distance keep 2.7 mm. Let's define this gap 50 mm. Keep 38, it's okay. -35 mm. Okay. Now select here spline and connect this point to this point, exit. Again spline, connect this point to this point, exit. Now select this spline, connect this vertical. Now select this, drag it, but click vertical. This one, drag it here, select this face, horizontal. Now let's define the angle. -180 minus 23.18. Okay. Define this length. Okay. Now it's time to define this length. (138.55 mm). Okay, so this is the our geometry. Click here, fully defined sketch, calculate. Okay. Now it's time to revolve. Select this as a center line. You can see here. Okay. Now see, one face is created here. Now here we want to pattern, but first we have to edit. Select this our revolve to edit feature, and here select unmerge result, not merge. Make sure it is unmerge. Okay. Now select this outer face, sketch, normal. First define a center line. Draw one center line here to this inside circle. Define the angle. Keep the angle 360 by 14 degree. Okay. Select this circle and just click convert entities. That's it. Now select first define lines. Exit. Again choose line. Exit. Now define the length 124 mm, 123.1 mm. Okay. Choose here spline. Collect these 2 points. Exit. Again spline. Now select 2-3 points. Exit. Now choose trim entity and trim this. Okay, outer deleted and this inside only balance. Okay. Now it's time to adjust the spline. let's define this. Select both the end point and curve. 58.5 mm this arc, 17.3 mm this arc. Okay, now let's adjust this arc. That's okay. Select here fully defined sketch, calculate. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined, so it's time to extruded cut. Here first D1 keep end condition through all, D2 also end condition through all, and here select the body and select this revolve body 2, because we want to cut only this, not this body 1. Okay, now see, it's cut only this revolve body here. Now let's try to make mirror. Select this face and select this cutout. Okay, see, it's mirror. Now let's here make multiple number of patterns. Select circular pattern. First select the path, so select this circle and here select cut and mirror. Make sure geometry pattern and here select selected body only, and we will select here revolve 2 only. Delete. Select this box, revolve, select this box and select this body, revolve 2. Okay, see here. Now here it is little out, so we will trim it. Select this face, sketch, normal. Select this or create one circle up to this circle. Okay, now select extruded cut. Here select flip side to cut. Both side 10 mm and select the selected body and click only this revolve body or select this body only. Clear. Now here select this revolve 2. Now see, it's cut here. Now it's time to define some fillet. Keep 2 mm, select this one edge and here try this multiple number of patterns. Select this. I think no. Clear and try clear. Now select one by one. I think make 1 inch. 1 inch also not suitable. Now we will select only this big lines, big circles. Okay. fillet 0.8 mm and select this smaller one. Still this not suitable, keep 0.5. Okay, this okay, 2 mm also is coming. So you have to select one by one each. Now select this last one. Select here OK. Now that's it. The whole circular face is selected. Now it's time to fill this open area. So choose here front plane, sketch. First draw the horizontal center line. Choose here line. Select this line. Exit. Let's define 50 mm. Okay. Now here select 2D hidden line and drag this line up to this point. Okay. Now this point here coincide. Okay. Select this line, make sure it's horizontal. That's it. Choose spline. Connect these 2 points. Vertical. And this one as it is 30 mm. Okay. Select revolve boss base. Select this bottom line as a axis. Merge result. Okay. Now see. Now let's make some holes. Select this face. Sketch normal. And draw here first center line. Click here for construction. Okay. Select circle. Select directly 4 circles. Exit. Now we will make all 4 circles equal. So first select all 4 circles, equal relation. Define the inside circle. Keep diameter 35 mm. 70 mm. And radius, and the smaller one keep 15 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut. Here keep through all. See. Okay. Now again select the same face. Sketch normal. Select circle. And find out this origin point. And draw a circle. And let's keep diameter 24 mm. Okay. And select here circular pattern. Select this center point and circle. And we want 4 number of circles. Okay. Now select extruded cut and keep the depth, keep it 60 mm so that it will intersect. Okay, now see these steps cut for bolt. Now here we want to create one steps, so select front plane, sketch, normal, and select here sketch, define center line, horizontal center line, make sure it is horizontal. Now select this line, convert entities, or again select this line, converted. Now again select this line. Okay, it's not going to convert, so let's define the dimension, how much. It's okay, sufficient for our work. Choose line, exit, spline, and connect it from up to this point. Vertical, choose line and connect from these 2 points. Okay. Now select here revolve boss base. Select this line as a center point. Now you can see here, but this 23 we don't want. Take little less. (21.5 mm). Okay, then try. Now it's okay. Now this face created. Now this is the face for logo. Okay, so this is our rim, solid rim is ready. Now it's time to define the raw material. Select the full body and steel. That's it. Even you can define chrome. See here. So please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Don't forget to share and like our videos. Thanks for watching.